right, the second strategy that we talked about today to find the percent of a number, without using the percent function on our calculator is by using our percent proportion, which is something that you learned last year in 6th grade. So, as a reminder, our percent proportion is over of equals the percent over 100. That's our percent proportion. We're going to use this proportion to solve the problems on the second page. I'm on page 32. Okay. So we did these 4 in class, so I'm going to go down to the next column and I'm going to choose one of these. I'm going to go ahead and go with the first one. So my percent proportion says is over of. I'm going to just focus on that ratio right now. So is and of. All right. 35 is. So when I set up my proportion, is talking about 35. The value of is 35, so that's going to go here. Of 35 is 25% of blank. I don't know what of is. Of isn't there. So when we don't know the value of something, we use a variable. I'm going to use x. And now I know that this is going to be 100. And 25%, 25 per 100. And that's going to go on top. Now we're just going to use what we know about solving proportions. We're going to cross multiply. So we cross multiply this way. 25 times 1x is 25x. Okay. Then we cross multiply the other way. 35 times 100 is 3,500. Now this is a one-step equation. This is a Unit 2 skill that we mastered. We're going to draw our line. When a number is next to a variable, that's multiplication. We are going to use inverse or opposite operation to move 25 from this side to this side so we can get x by itself. Multiplication, the inverse is division. I show division now with a fraction bar. So I'm going to divide on both sides. 25 divided by 25 is 1, or we can just write x because remember the 1's invisible. 3,500 divided by 25. Let's use our calculator for that. So 3,500 divided by 25 equals 140. And that's our answer.